Good day, friends. Welcome to NLSoft, ownersoftnetherland.com. It's a quick one, so let's get to the point. The 17 technical SEO tips. Okay. Now, what happened? Early September, Google made an update. Okay, and this their update affected millions of websites. Okay, to make the case worse, last week. Being 11th and 10th November 2021, Google made another update, and guess what? They de-indexed millions of websites. Okay, most of our websites, client website, were affected. Okay, so but thank goodness, early this week, let's say yesterday being Monday, Google has started re-indexing all sites. So because of that, I decided to share these tips with you guys. It's a simple tips. I'm an SEO professional. Okay, so this is what we charge people for: 80,000 in naira, 100 and something thousand in naira, 200 USD ops. Okay, so but I will be giving you that tips, okay, for free. It is left for you to further your learning if you care. I'll be giving you these tips for free. It is left for you to further your learning if you want to and implement it into your website. Okay, if you can't do that, you can hire an SEO professional. As I said earlier, I remain my humble self, Mbono Waxing. And let's go. It's a pictorial, in fact it's an infographic information, and here I've also made a step-by-step post on it. You can get it live on Netherland. But let's just proceed to the point. Okay, technical SEO tips. Use niche keywords. If you have been following me, I believe by now you should have the understanding of what niche means and what niche keywords mean. So number one tips here is to use niche keyword in your domain if possible. Although we believe that getting a unique domain name is not that easy, but still if you're starting new, still do your best to include a niche keyword in your domain name if possible. If you can't, proceed with the domain you have. Okay, you will still do well with the little description to the mother and description of the domain. So make sure you store SSL. SSL is just HTTPS. So make sure you install it now. Okay, it's affordable. Some hosts even offer it for free. So create a mobile first. Let your website be mobile ready. Let it be responsive. Are you getting it? If your website is not responsive, go now and get it corrected. It is very, very easy. You can contact your developer and let him or she know that you want your website to be responsive. That is, let it be mobile ready. Wherever anyone is browsing your website from, whatever devices he or she is using, let it fit in. Whether the person is using mobile phone, whether the person is using iPad, whether the person is using desktop computer, let it be mobile ready, mobile responsive. Google frown at any site that is not mobile ready these days, because guess what? 90% of your site visitors are coming from mobile. That is the truth. Okay, and if these visitors are coming from mostly African countries, 90% of them are coming from mobile. Create a sitemap and submit it. Create a sitemap, submit to Google. Create a sitemap, submit to Bing Masterclass. Big Master is very, very simple. Now make sure you speed up your site both on mobile and on desktop. Okay, so then mind the type of backlink you get. Okay, mind the type of backlinks you get back to your site. Although I'll be releasing a backlink kit, okay, for 2022. Is up to 8,000 backlinks. I'll be releasing it, okay, and they are all quality and good backlinks, manual submission. Now, toxic backlinks cannot do your site any good. Take note of that. So you make sure you avoid it. If you're getting backlinks, make sure you understand or you know where those backlinks are coming from. Okay, use redirects. If you have pages that are no longer active, redirect them to your home page or to a related page. Okay, so create a custom 404 pages. Okay, as for robotic text, you use them properly. Okay, so these are it now. To as you can see, everything here is structures. For me, I will be dropping if you're viewing us from YouTube, I will drop the link to this page so that you can go there and read up. Okay, you're free to download this image and follow up. Okay, so if you're good in SEO, you can implement this. It's as easy as ABCD. If you're not good, we also provide a link here. Just click here and order what? The SEO masterclass. You can order the SEO masterclass live from nylalen.com, and believe me, after going through this SEO masterclass, you become an SEO professional. Implementing most of these things will be as easy as ABCD. If you still don't have the time, of course, when it comes to internet, leveraging other people's time is very, very important. If you don't have the time, hire an SEO professional, pay him or she, and let them get this thing then done. Take your time, study your site, check your site console. 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you should be getting results. Okay, so kindly go to nylalen.com and order the search engine SEO masterclass. It will help you a lot. In fact, when it comes to online success, you see search engine, people are asking these days, is Google dead? Is search engine dead? Is SEO dead? The question is no, it is not dead. It is normal for Google to perform updates, and sometimes this update can favor webmasters. Sometimes this update can be a fuck to webmasters, like the one we witnessed a few months ago, and again the follow-up last week. But thank goodness, as I said earlier, all sites are being re-indexed, and better news and better days of SEO is even flowing. Okay, so thank you so much. I remember my humble self, Mbono Watson. You're getting this thing courtesy nylalen.com. Bye for now.